Hey, James again. Congratulations. You have set up your free Builderall account and are now ready to have the RPM imported into your account. And this is the most amazing part because it is one click imported into your account. The emails, pages, everything. And what's more, you do not have to edit anything at all. Thanks to the auto tag technology and checkout system inside Builderall, the half a dozen income streams, the emails and everything is already set up for you as soon as you download it into your Builderall account. How awesome is that? So Builderall is one of the income streams, and we're using their affiliate system for absolutely everything. You don't need to edit anything or do anything else because everything is hard coded into your Builderall account. It's really cool how it works. Builderall is also the program that I'm the #1 in the world of all time for affiliate. I actually have more active members in Builderall than anyone has ever sold. With more than 5,000 active recurring members in my network. It's crazy when I say that out loud. More than 5,000 people each month that I earn a commission from. And I don't have to provide any customer support. I don't have to handle refunds or anything. And this is why affiliate marketing is the best. So there's going to be some more training on affiliate marketing, why it is the best in the members area that you're going to see very shortly. And again, all that's for free. So they were the ones who sent me this sword as well. There, as you can see, Builderall here with the awesome award and samurai sword. And with this technology, with the machine and the rapid profit machine traffic, I know that you could be getting one of these awards too. And that is another of the income streams is as well, is the traffic that you're going to be able to tap into. So you can earn from not only Builderall, but also the traffic from also a bunch of other stuff inside the RPM as well. And I actually have awards to give out as well. So below, you're going to see a big button which will import everything into your account. And this is a real quick step. So I'm going to jump over to my computer and show you exactly what to do for this super quick step. Okay, so you're now on my computer, and as you can see, this is the page that you're on right now. And all we need to do is click this big button to import your free machine. That's going to import it into your account. And you can see that it's coming from my account to yours, the Rapid Profit Machine. Just click confirm, and that's going to import. It might take a few seconds because there's a lot to import. And there we go. So we go to Site Dashboard. It's going to take us to our cheetah builder. And then we just click the 3 dots and then publish. And then that's going to be published live inside of our Builderall account. We click I'm satisfied with the domain, and then we can go into edit site. We need to grab these 2 URLs. So this is the opt-in page where you're going to send traffic to. So you need to go to the website page, and then you just copy this URL here, because this is the URL we're going to send traffic to. So if you open up a notepad or whatever you've got on your computer to take notes. So this is the opt-in. And then we're going to also grab this page 2 as well. This is the main video page.
Hey, my name's James Neville Taylor.
So we're going to grab that as well. Video page. These are our 2 URLs that we need to grab. And I'm just going to show you so you can see everything that's been imported. If we come into our Mailing Boss account, you can see that the emails have already been imported with the list. So this list and then all of the emails for the RPM have been imported as well. So how cool is that? Everything's been imported without you having to do anything, without you having to edit anything. So there's one more simple thing that we need to do. If we come back to the office, so the main Builderall office, you can come into account and then advanced configurations. And this is how the magic auto tags happen, the magical automation. So we come into tags right here, and all we need to do is we need to paste a couple of things. So the first thing we need to do is we need our from name. So this is the display name that's going to be sent out on your emails. So you just enter the name that you want to display on your emails and your from email. So if you have a domain, you'll enter your domain email here. If not, you can just enter the email that you use to sign up with. And finally, we need to grab our video page and enter that in the extra tag 19. So we need to get our URL up that we saved, and we just copy this into extra tag 19. And then once we've put our extra tag in, we put our Mailing Boss from email, We've put our mailing boss from name, then we can hit save. And that is all there is to it. Your system is fully set up, and you may be wondering right now, wait, what? That was it? Yeah, that was it. You now have half a dozen income streams and 2 weeks worth of follow-up automatically updated with all your info inside your Builderall account. You may be thinking, well, how? I only signed up for Builderall. That's because all the other programs are sold through Builderall's affiliate marketplace and tracked through their system. Really cool, right? Like I said, I know you will love this, and it's only going to get better from here. So without further ado, let's move on to the final step.